Hello everyone. How to change recall space allocation on Windows 11? Well, recall works by taking tons of snapshots of everything that happens on the screen, and then it analyzes this information using AI to surface relevant moments. As a result, the feature must reserve some space on the hard drive to store the snapshots. By default, recall reserves 25 GB of storage on a hard drive which is 256 GB. However, if you have a 512 GB of SSD, it will reserve 75 GB. And if you have 1 terabyte of SSD, it will reserve 156 GB of storage. Now the question is, can I customize how much of storage I should assign to the recall? Well, it is actually possible, and in this video you are going to learn that. Firstly, you have to go ahead, open the settings app, go to privacy and security, go to recall and snapshots. Now you have to click on the storage. Now in front of storage, you will notice there is an option called maximum storage for snapshots. You have to change that amount and then it will be good to go. It is important to note that the storage allocation for recall will depend on the total storage capacity for the device hard drive. For example, if you have a Copilot Plus PC with a 256 GB of SSD, the default space allocation will be 25 GB, with the option to reduce it to 10 GB. A 25 GB allocation can store up to 3 months of searchable data. Now, if the computer has a 512 GB of SSD, the default recall space will be 75 GB, but you can change it to 50 GB or 25 GB. However, if you have a 1 TB SSD, the default space allocation will be 150 GB. However, you can reduce it to 100 GB, 75 GB, 50 GB, and 25 GB. I hope this video was helpful to you. For now, have a nice day and goodbye.